Hey guys, Zip 2001 from Just Ride. Oh, we're back on the bike. Oh man, I am so excited, man. Oh man, we haven't seen the full suspension or bear in 4 months. It was an absolute great winter season of riding. Great. I used both the fat bikes. I had studs on the Obeah and I never took it out. I was just having way too much fun on the fatties. Oh man, but it is great. I've had probably maybe a month off. Not quite sure. I haven't really looked at it. I've ridden the single speed into town, and I took the 1x10 around the neighborhood a bunch of times. But I've stayed away from the trails and any real serious road riding. I wanted to kind of let the rain wash out all the dirt and salt on the roads till I get the regular road bike out. And the trails I wanted to let most of the snow melt, and I mean I can feel I'm a little soft right here. But we're going to hit the lower single track first, the tighter stuff over that way. And I found a new section in the winter. I'm going to go farther up and see if that was a trail or just for the winter that they groomed, or was it something that's always been there. And then I'll do a bunch of climbing, get into the center of the forest, and just go have some fun. Oh man, oh, I'm just so happy to be back. Woo! Oh man, that was all right. I don't even know. Oh yeah, all right. Checking everything out here. Yeah, it's a tough one. Oh, all right. Yeah, this is gonna be it right here. Not sure. Okay. Like I said, only finding it during the winter. Now trying to see where it is that you've only been on it once. And you went off it. Okay. Had to skip a pedal stroke so I didn't pedal strike. Right here? No. No, yes. No, I guess not. Oh, darn it. Fun part. Don't worry, we live in flatland country, Dorothy. Right here. Nose is running. Push that, okay. There we go. It's this way, yeah. Try to remember. That's gonna be it. Oh, idiot. Why was it? I'm expecting a sharp left. I thought it was there, and it isn't. Trying to remember. I guess that ain't working too well. Come on, buddy. They say everything looks so different from when I was here in the winter. Okay, here it is. It does it goes on top somewhere right now. Oh, okay, right here. Then wait a minute. Okay. Oh, this is the fun part. Trying to, you know, it was a lot easier to follow when there was snow on it. All right, I'm trying to think with it. I'm trying to pick it up here. Does it go here? I don't know. You guys know which way it goes? I think it goes here, right? No, but this is all down here. Does it go here? Hey, can you guys help me out? Oh, okay. All right. Get yourself clipped in now. It's right here. Now go ahead. No, you never got yourself clipped in. Oh, come on. Just fooling around with my foot more than anything there. Oh. Sheesh. Well. Well, we're about 16 minutes into the ride. Hard remembering that first trail when your first visit was in the winter and you had some kind of snow track to follow to now the leaves that were there from last season. So it was a few times I went off, but that's all right. I'm delayering. I'm going to put my short finger gloves on now. My head unit that was under my helmet, my thin unit, that's off now. and I'll have the vest off. So, whoo, let's go.